Yawning might have evolved to help early humans in caves synchronize bedtime and signal others it's time to rest. It's not just tiredness, it's social survival. Yawning doesn't just mean you're tired. It might be your brain telling the group to rest, not just you. Yep, it's a social signal. Back in the cave days, yawning helped us sync up. When one yawned, it spread like wildfire, a silent way to say, time to shut down. And it still works today. You see a yawn, your brain copies it even before you notice. Maybe yawning isn't weak. Maybe it's survival, a way to protect each other in silence. From ancient caves to modern couches, your brain remembers.